Today, I'm building the scariest Halloween facade you've ever seen. A 5-meter vampire monster with chainsaw-carved fangs and a dark maze inside its stomach. This entire structure is made from salvaged materials, old pallets, scrap wood, and a heavy tree trunk. This is part 1 of my giant Halloween monster build. Later, I'll be sharing the full DIY video for the monster's upper face, plus the final thrilling demo, so you can experience what it feels like to visit our haunted garden. So hit subscribe and turn on the notifications now. Let's get started with the foundation. First, you need 8 Euro pallets for the floor structure. I use 8 here because I want to create a slope. This makes visitors feel like they are plunging down through the monster's throat. Next, use 2-meter pallets as the vertical sidewalls. Screw these securely to the base pallets. To ensure stability, we add wooden pieces at the top and extra support pallets on the sides and at the back. Now the structure is solid and ready for the main event. Now for the most exciting part, the giant fangs. You need a piece of heavy tree trunk for this. I'll show you this simple special technique. Sawing a tooth with just one cut. By making a long, sloping cut down the trunk, you immediately get that basic tooth shape. To create the sharp vampire canines, simply make 2 more slanted cuts at the sides to bring it to a sharp point. Once cut, we grind the teeth. Grind the longest cut side to give it a slight curve, like a banana, and strip off the bark to make it look smooth and sharp. Before mounting, saw a small slanted cut at the bottom of the trunk. This is a crucial step. It makes the canines tilt aggressively outward. Screw in the 2 large lower teeth. Now for the upper jaw. We only need 1 vampire tooth here, which we saw in half vertically, as shown. Use temporary screws to hang them, adjust the angles until they look perfectly menacing, and then fasten them permanently. That's it. The terrifying jaw and fangs are complete. Don't miss out on the upcoming full build video where we tackle the rest of the monster's face and the ultimate walkthrough demo. Subscribe now and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.